Welcome to the Health and Nutrition Secrets channel, where science meets daily life to provide practical tips that help you improve your health and enhance your quality of life. Here, we highlight the best ways to care for your body, unveil the secrets of healthy nutrition, and explore the most effective natural remedies that can make a big difference in your life. Follow us to discover more about the world of health and wellness in a simple and practical way. Did you know that there's a natural dietary supplement that can significantly impact your daily life? This supplement is not just an additional ingredient but a nutritional treasure loaded with countless benefits. Today we're talking about yeast, this magical element that positively affects all aspects of your health, from boosting energy and focus to supporting healthy skin, hair, and nails, as well as improving digestion and maintaining a healthy weight. Essentially, yeast is a type of beneficial fungus, but don't let the word fungus mislead you. Yeast is packed with valuable nutrients that your body needs. There are two main types of yeast that we can use: Brewer's yeast and Nutritional yeast. Brewer's yeast is the most common and comes in two primary forms: blocks sold ready-made or powdered yeast found in small packages used for making baked goods. The difference between blocks and powder is simple. Both are made from the same yeast, but the blocks have a higher moisture content, while the powder is dried and free of water. Additionally, there are yeast tablets, which are an easy option for those who prefer to consume them as pills. But what makes yeast so beneficial? The answer lies in its components. Yeast is rich in B-complex vitamins such as B1, B3, B6, and B9. However, it lacks vitamin B12, which means if you're relying on it to support nerve health, you'll need a supplement that contains B12. One of the most important components of yeast is biotin, a vital element for the health of hair and nails. If you're experiencing brittle nails or hair loss, yeast could be the perfect solution. It also contains chromium, an element that helps improve the body's sensitivity to insulin, making it very beneficial for people dealing with insulin resistance or obesity, especially visceral fat. Yeast doesn't stop there. It also contains selenium, one of the most powerful natural antioxidants. Selenium works to combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and improving overall health. When it comes to digestion, yeast is rich in fiber and acts as a gut modulator. It helps regulate bowel movements, whether you're experiencing constipation or diarrhea. Furthermore, the natural yeasts in it make it an excellent choice for supporting colon health. But what about its effect on weight? Here's a common question: does yeast help in losing or gaining weight? The answer depends on how you use it. If you want to lose weight, you can benefit from the chromium in it to improve fat burning. On the other hand, if you're looking to gain weight, yeast can stimulate appetite and enhance fat absorption. To get the most out of yeast, you can consume it in various ways. One of the simplest is to dissolve a small piece of yeast in water with a bit of sugar and take it before bedtime. This method enhances its benefits for the digestive system and improves sleep quality. However, it's important to note that yeast is not suitable for everyone. People who are gluten intolerant or have issues like bacterial overgrowth in the intestines may find it unsuitable. Additionally, it might cause some initial bloating and gas as part of the body's natural adaptation process to probiotics. Despite these considerations, yeast remains one of the cheapest and easiest dietary supplements available, and is an excellent choice for those seeking comprehensive health improvements without spending much. That's all we have for you today about the benefits of yeast and how it can transform your life for the better. If you found today's information helpful, don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. We're always here to provide you with valuable insights in the world of health and nutrition. See you in our next video with new information from Health and Nutrition Secrets. Goodbye.